Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then demoing for you this shock-proof case with magnetic ring. That's right, it is MagSafe compatible. This is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is by Humixx. It is a very slim fit, translucent case, as you can see. This is an updated version of their shockproof translucent case because this one includes that magnetic ring on the center there to make this compatible with all your MagSafe accessories when used with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So you can see it is translucent. So the great thing about that is it is not going to show fingerprints. You can hold it, touch it all you want to. You're not going to have yucky fingerprints on it. The translucent matte finish takes care of that for you. They've got that nice, cool kind of pattern that goes around. It's not just your standard TPU bumper, but they got kind of a cool little pattern that goes around that also offers great protection in the corners. You can see the corners have this little divot, if you will. It gives just that little bit of extra protection in case of a drop on the corner, which is great. So let's put my phone in this case and take a look at the case on the phone. Make sure all the buttons work, and then we're going to test out that magnet as well. So you can see the power button works just like you would expect. Volume, keys, yeah, love it. Very great tactile feel when you're using those. Easy access to that silent mode. Yeah, that works great. You've got all the right cutouts here. That's being focused there, so you can see the cutouts there for your lightning port as well as your speakers. All looks good. Yeah, nice. You've got that raised bezel around the camera bump, so that's going to protect your cameras. You've also got the same thing around the screen of the phone. You can see that it's got just a slightly raised bezel, so even if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to be protected. So the important thing, of course, if you're getting this case, it's because you want to use MagSafe accessories. So we're going to check it out with a MagSafe wireless charger that I reviewed recently. You can see, throw that on there, and yeah, it sticks. Really nice, strong magnet, no issues at all. Throw it on a bedside charger, the MagSafe bedside charger, and you can see it sticking there with no problems at all. Just stays the way that you would expect it to with any magnetic case and MagSafe phone. Also in my car, throw it on the MagSafe mount that I have in my car, and it works really excellent with that as well. Easy on, doesn't come off as I'm driving down the road. Obviously that has to do a lot with the mount as well, but the mount is pointless if you don't have a MagSafe case. But if you've got that MagSafe case from Humixx, then you can use all your MagSafe accessories. So really, really nice, strong magnet. I love that the case, even though it's translucent, you don't see fingerprints, but you can still see that Apple logo in the center of the ring, which is very, very cool. And just a really excellent case by Humixx. Great to protect your phone as well as keep it from getting fingerprints, and then allow you to still use all your MagSafe accessories. So really, really excellent case by Humixx. So again, it's a shock-proof magnetic case, slim fit case by Humixx, and yeah, definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. We'll have a link to this product on Amazon down in the description. You can click that to jump over there and read what other people have said about it. Pick one up for yourself. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.